My name is Sum Valentine Darang. I have been representing the victim family. I would give a little bit the status of the case abhi tak ka kya hua hai. It is a very sad case. It is a very, very sad case. Now going into the little bit the status, I can't give in details, but this incident happened on 31st night and 1st of November. Then the case was registered. After that, when the parents came back, they were doing the rituals. On the 3rd, it seems like 8 CCLs, they are also children, they were apprehended. Apprehended matlab kuch aaya gaya during the initial. Then on that day, the parents were not there, we were not there. They were produced before the JJB board, and then it was observed by the JJB board that the children were supposed to be sent to the OH home. OH is supposed to be the observation home wherein CCWL, there are child in conflict with law, during the course of investigation are supposed to be kept. In Arunachal, we have only one OH home. So basically, from all districts, wherever a child in conflict with law is found, they are sent to the OH home, which happens to be in Pasighat. Here in this case, JJB observed that it was unfit for the children for whatever reason, and they found that place of safety was given to the vice principal. For me, I am very sad by this order because place of safety is basically for children, child in conflict with law, but between age of 16 and 18. So, and meantime, taking into account that free votes are going on. Then on 9th, I was contacted, and by 10th, we went for, well, we thought that bail was going to be heard. It was fixed for that date. So we went and we were to pray for the bail cancellation, but we found that the principal magistrate had recused himself, and then some untold for something had come up for one of the members, and then it was refixed. But we had seen that on the order of 3rd 11, even if it was the observation that the children were sent to the VP of the school, we had stated that the incident occurred in the school. There are many children, that is not to be considered a place of safety. So we had stated that at least कुछ terms and conditions दिया जाए कि बच्चों को safety के लिए, उन बच्चों के लिए भी जो CCWL से और उन बच्चों के लिए भी जो prime witnesses है इस केस पे. And जब authority ही question में है, how can you keep the children there? So some certain वो amendment क्या किया कि बच्चों को अच्छा से एक जगह रखा गया. And then sole interest was that बच्चों का भी exam चल रहा था till 11. तो till 11 से 15 तक का exam था, so bail hearing was fixed for 15. So yesterday we again went and bail hearing हुआ. We all of us gave our own submissions. बेल तो 3 ही ग्राउंड में जनरली बच्चों का बेस्ट इंटरेस्ट को ही देखेगा जेजेबी ऐसा बोर्ड है कि जिसमें बच्चों को रिहेबिलिटेट करके हम लोग सोसाइटी में वापस लाता है. बट अगेन देयर आर पेटी ऑफेंसेस, सिंपल ऑफेंसेस और हीनियस. ये कैटेगरी में वॉट एवर इट इज राइट नाउ इट इज 108, 107 ऑफ BNS विच इज इट कम्स अंडर हीनियस ऑफेंस. तो yesterday we objected, although it is a rule that bail is a rule, but still we had objected on the ground there. Only 3 grounds. One is that if the child is in danger, or the second is that if the child को more hardcore criminal लोग से मिलना. But OH home में nobody is a hardcore criminal. You can't say that. You can always have segregated and kept them there. There is provision. तो 3rd में that CCLs को अगर रिलीज करेगा तो ends of justice को टेम्पर करेगा, because इन्वेस्टिगेशन तक शुरू हुआ ही नहीं. बट they were given to the parents, and the IO also had made a prayer कि प्रिलिमिनरी इन्वेस्टिगेशन क्योंकि उस दिन को हमें पता चला कि वो 8 बच्चों में से 5 इज एज बिटवीन 16 to 18. So we asked that so that they can be tried as an adult. For that preliminary assessment का जरूरी है. But that was, we made a prayer, but that was not granted, stating that it's premature in nature. So right now, it is just in the nascent stage, in the preliminary stage of investigation. And today I would also like to state from the aggrieved family side also, the SP East Young and the IO, Mr. Lawrence sir, had done a very good job. And now since it has been taken over by the SIT is also, they have started the investigation, and we have full faith in the judiciary as well as in the investigation agencies. And as parents and as advocate for the victim side, we will be cooperating, and we have already given whatever necessary things that we could cooperate, we have cooperated. Now the thing is that what are the actions taken against the authorities, or what are the authorities, whether they have restricted or what have they done? What have the authorities done about the CCLs? Because complaint and everything was written already before them. So now we can only hope and pray, and now at this stage we can only hope and pray, and we have faith in judiciary as well as the justice and the investigation. And I would also like to make an appeal to all the parents that this, we always speak about the stakeholders, this, that, who is the society? You are the society. The victims as well as the CCWLs. This ragging is an international crime. We have to take it in that way. Haro in Apatani means brave. He was a brave soul, and his death should be considered, he should be considered as a martyr. Because of him, the other children who are still there, he is an angel for them. कि उन लोगों को अभी रैगिंग से, those who could not share with their parents, उन लोगों को safety मिला. And me as a mother, this should be an eye-opening call for each and every one of us. Be it brother, be it sister, tomorrow you all will also be a parent. You all are not supposed to bully, and we are not supposed to be a victim. Please identify, and please, someone who loves you, you are supposed to say that. And every soul matters, and this is we have to fight for it as a group. Thank you. There has been infirmities in this, but अभी since state को अभी SIT लिया है, तो investigation ही अभी initiative लेना है. Every initiative should come from the state, क्योंकि वो लोग जब initiative लेगा, we don't know what investigation is going on, and they will never tell us. It's not. Why should they tell us also certain things? So it should come from the state side, and also High Court can always intervene for revision if and any time they want to. Thank you.